right now we're at the beach of Antibes, and as you can see to the north we've got the public beach, and to the south we've got the paid beach, which is where we're going to go because we haven't brought any beach related stuff.
Pas un ordre, non, bah non, la plateforme. Non, non. Mais mettre un coup de bec, non?
Non. Même si on met son doigt.
Okay, so now we're still in Antibes. We're kind of at the end of a pier. We just saw some fish that they call it, I think they call it a cuttlefish.
Yeah, well, in English.
Is it a squid?
No, it's not a squid, it's a cuttlefish.
Oh.
It's a type of, I don't know, something.
I don't know anything about fish really. But anyway, you can see the beaches. Pan over to your right. So on this side is the public beaches over here. And turn around, pan to your other side. Here's all the private beaches. We're trying to find one right now. We sent the other two of them over there to find out. The first place we checked, it was 18 per person. So we're hoping we can find something a little bit more economical. But you can see down here, there's these cool steps to the water. Everybody on this pier, at least, it seems to be either fishing. So probably not where you want to swim.
No.
With hooks in the water. And it's a nice sunny day.
Yeah.
So we're excited.
Yeah.
In where we live, there hasn't been sun in
Months.
6 months or 5 months.
Just rain.
So we're happy to be here. Ciao.
Ciao. Hey, so we found a place to rent some beach chairs. The place is called YOLO. You know, you only live once. And we rented 3 beach chairs, and they're really nice, and we're right in front of the beach.
So we're still at the YOLO Beach Club. It's really nice. I just had a I just had a chicken Caesar salad, French style. It was like 28 euro. A little expensive, but the kids went to Subway across the street to save some money. Anyway, this beach club has music, and it's a lively environment, and we're just chilling and having fun. Ciao. Hi guys, we're still in Antibes, and we are now on a rocky pier. See if you can see that. So there's the beach in the background. We're trying to walk this rocky pier out into the water. It's a little bit difficult in flip-flops, but she wants to try it, so we continue. See her over there.
Hey, so we are just about to leave YOLO, the beach club that we stayed in Antibes, France. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Ciao.